Hi everyone, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and in this video I will discuss about one of the PHP's string function, which is stripos. Stripos function is used to find the first occurrence of a substring in a string. Because this is the syntax, and it will return an integer value, since it will return the position of the character which we are looking for. So that's why it will return an integer value. Okay, and it takes two arguments. One is the string and second one is the character which position we are searching inside the string, and it's a case insensitive function. Okay, so it will not make any difference between smaller letter and uppercase letters. Okay, so this is our string, and I have used stripos function. Okay, so to this function I have passed my string, and in the second parameter I have mentioned the character which position I want to find. Okay, so now I want to find the position of O. Okay, so now let's just save it, and now let's refresh. Okay, so now before refreshing or executing this program, so now let's first see what is the position of this character O. Okay, so here inside our string, O is present in two locations. Okay, so it will start with 0 0 1 2 3 4 and 5th. Okay, so O character is present in two positions, which is 4th and 5th. Okay, so now let us see whether it will display 4 or 5th. Okay, so now let's refresh here. See, it's displaying or returning the location as 4. That means it's returning me the position of the first occurrence of that substring O in the string. Okay, now if I change it to capital letter O, now let's refresh. See, it will not make any changes. Okay, so it will the output will be as it is. Okay, it will not change the output. Okay, so case insensitive means it will not make any difference between smaller letters and capital letters. Okay, so this is everything about stripos function. Okay, it is used to find the first occurrence of a substring in a string. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video where I will discuss some other string function. And thanks for watching.